Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to apply for shift in Instawork. To apply for shift on Instawork, start by downloading the Instawork app and create a profile or a workout profile. Then complete your profile by providing the basic information such as your name, contact details, and a professional profile photos. Add relevant work experience from the past 10 years and include at least 2 preferences from a previous employers, preferably managers, depending on the position you are interested in. You may need to complete a specific quiz and upload the necessary certification like a food handlers or a TIP for bartending roles. For skills position, scheduling a coach call through the app is also required. Once your profile is completed and approved, you can browse available shifts in your area through the app. Entry-level shifts may be available immediately, while skilled position might require additional vetting. After selecting a shift that fits your schedule and qualification, you can apply directly through the app. Keeping in mind that shift availability can vary based on location and demand. So regular checking the app and maintaining an app update profile can increase your chance of securing a shift, and that's it.